study, water table map preparation is very important. It's very important. So we'll learn how to prepare the water table map. Here we'll learn what equipment are required. What equipment are required to develop this kind of map. So for geology, field work is very important. Now we cannot do geological study or hydrogeological study in the classroom. We have to go full, like for mining engineer or civil engineer, field are essential. You cannot think you can understand mining from classroom only. You have to go there and you have to see mining, what kind of mining are there, how they're operating. Okay, everything you have to understand there in the field. In geology also it is important, because when you see the rock, okay, and when you see in the natural environment, then there are different things are there, and those rocks are associated with other rock also. So those help us to understand what kind of geological setting is there, what kind of occurrence are there. So those we can interpret in better way in the field only. Okay, so here one map is given, her data is there given. Okay, so we have collected these data. Okay, and what we are trying to develop the water table map. In this is sheet, you see in this sheet, okay, in this table, here well name is given. Okay, like suppose this Raipur city is given to prepare the water table map. So in that case, what we have to do, we have to go there in the field and we have to collect data from the different well, and different wells are there. So we have to collect what is the water level of that well. But how we locate where in which well we are there. So we can use GPS, global positioning system, and even that GPS is available in your mobile also. Okay, so through that GPS we can do our positioning there, where we are, and to positioning what data is required, latitude and longitude. Okay, if you see in that map also, okay, I will give you later that map where latitude and longitude are there, so which give us location here. Okay, so we have given well name so that we can identify that data belong to which well. Okay, and MSL value in GPS. Okay, MSL value you get, and if not there, you can use toposit also, topographic sheet. Those are very authentic data which are published by the Survey of India. Okay, and depth of well is measured by us. We measure the depth of well. Okay, to calculate the water table, what is the formula? Formula is given in the bottom. You see, formula is given. Am I audible, online participant? Are you following me? We are doing one exercise. We are trying to develop the water table map. Okay, no problem. Yes. So here these are the, okay, this is the water level, water level we measured. Okay, and to calculate the water table, what we have to do, you have to use this formula. Okay, MSL, mean sea level value, minus your depth of water level. So we'll get the water table. So what do you do in first step? You calculate the water table value now. Okay. Yeah, you can fill. You can use the pencil. It's better. You now you all do this exercise, or you can use pen also. There is no problem. And this sheet you have to enclose in your practical record also. Yes. So in first step, what you have to do? Mike, you can also do this exercise. Yeah. So you take one sheet and do calculation. Okay. Once you complete, let me know. Once you complete, let me know you have completed this part. Okay, this way you will understand this exercise in better way. How and one more thing here, how we measure the water level, है ना? Please, okay, understand this also. How we measure the water level. Okay, once you complete, okay, let me know कि you have completed that part. We show to all the participants, है ना? Done? Okay. So the first part is completed. Here you calculated water table value for all the wells. Okay. But suppose when you have to go in their field, how you have to measure the water level? This also need to understand. Okay. So for this, okay, I'm giving you one here. Here you see. This is the well. How many, okay, have seen this kind of well in their life? Already, okay, they have observation. Duck well. In duck well, how many? So only 4, 5 are there. Okay, other what you have to do today, you go there in Saraswati, railway station, and then Raipur. There one where is there? Na? Okay, you go and see. This is very important. Hai na? And if you ask to your grandfather, they use this well or this kind of well only to withdraw the groundwater. Okay, this was very common. This kind of well was very common previously. So here you see, this person is measuring water level value. And this person has measuring tape, and what he is trying to measure the water level value. So from ground surface, okay, how deeper the water level? Okay, how deeper? From ground surface, how deeper groundwater is known as your water level. Okay, that is known as. Okay. Okay. How deeper from the ground surface, hai na? So when we dig well, okay, we get the saturated zone. So upper surface of saturated zone is your water table. So from ground surface, how we see that we can measure the how deeper it is. Okay, that will be your water level, hai na? So here, if we see that, hai na, from here to here, but you see this for this well, parapet is developed, hai na? Okay, this parapet you'll find little above from the ground surface. What is the purpose to develop the parapet? Can you tell me? To protect the well, है ना? To protect the well, we prepare the parapet, है ना? So parapet is not natural feature. Is this natural feature? It's not natural feature. Hai? So if suppose you are measuring water level from the parapet, so what you have to minus this part, na? So suppose it is 1 meter, and your water level you measure from the parapet, and that water level is 21. So कितना होगा water level कितना हो गया फिर 20 only, because we have to minus this part. ठीक है? Are you getting my point? Why I am giving you emphasis? Because you must know the importance, है ना? ठीक है? I will tell you कि what is the importance of the water table study, है ना? Okay, let me open the pant here. Okay, I will tell you. I will tell you. Okay, and this is the pant here. Yeah. This is your well, and suppose this is your you know is upper surface of saturated zone, and this is your ground surface. Okay, this is your ground surface, and we develop this parapet here, है ना? So from here to here we have to measure the water level. Okay, hope you got the point, you all, है ना? If any doubt is there, you can ask, you can interrupt and ask, है ना? And water table, when we measure this with respect to MSL, है ना? Suppose this water level is 20 meter. Okay, it's 20, and here MSL, okay, value is 520. So what will be your water table? 500, है ना? So you must know this. Okay, I hope you all got the so suppose if you have measuring tape and you have GPS, so easily can do this exercise or not? Natural. Okay, if I send you suppose for the field work and ask ki collect the water level data, so can you collect it? Yes, है ना? Okay, so now see what is the importance of the water table data. That okay, I'm going to show you. Like suppose this is one area. Okay, this is one area. Here gradient is more and here gradient is low, है ना? ठीक है, this is ground surface, है ना? यहाँ कुछ पेड़ भी बना देता हूँ. Okay, है ना? Okay, so here suppose we have one well. Okay, and another well we have here. ठीक है, another well here. Suppose here depth of water is here 20 meter. In this case also 20 meter. Okay, it's a water level, है ना? From ground surface how deeper it is. In both case we have 20 meter. Suppose okay, you prepared the water level map, water level contour map. So what you will find? You will find like this. Same. Will you find or not? If both having same value, so that will come in one line only, na? Contour, है ना? Same value will come. So can we okay comment here ki where water is flowing? Can we comment in this case? When this kind of condition is there, so there is no gradient, and a gradient is not visible in this case. We cannot comment ki where it is flowing. Okay, suppose now we have calculated the water table. Okay, this is your higher elevation. Suppose here we have MSL is 520. Okay, in this case value will be higher or lower? Lower. Yes, very good. Because when we go in low lying area, value get lower down, है ना? You must know, है ना? क्योंकि ये क्या होगा? Value will lower down near sea, ना? This is with respect to sea level, है ना? So yeah, so like if you are going in north like Himalaya, so value will be higher or lower? And when you go towards like Odisha, value will be lower, high. मतलब ओशन की तरफ जाएंगे तो वैल्यू विल बी लोअर, है ना? ठीक है, तो ये भी है ना? ठीक है, you have to understand this. Okay, but that depend. Okay, like if suppose hillock is there, some hillocks are there, so value will be higher. What is the MSL value of Raipur city? Can you tell me? What is the MSL value here? You all have seen, I think, in station, everywhere in station MSL value is written. So around 300 you will find here in case of Raipur. But in Chhattisgarh we have 1100 also MSL. So we have some hills also, na? So okay, that, but in general okay case towards ocean, value are low. But if suppose some hills are there, so we will say ki sir, how value are lowering down. It's not like that. So if hills are there, okay, in general I am saying towards sea value are lower. Now we have, you see, it's a 420, okay, and it's a 520. So you tell me what is the water table value here? 500, and in this case we have 400. So you see, in this case gradient is low and here is high. So we can see that groundwater will flow in this direction. Higher to lower. So when we have water table data or water table contour, we can understand the groundwater flow. But if you have water level value, can you comment? I hope you got this, okay, point. Here. So when, that's why water table map are important for the hydrogeological study. This is the justification. Okay. So we are trying to develop the what? Water table map here. So you all calculated this value. This value you calculated. These all value calculated. Now as per the well name, you have to transfer this data here in this map. Okay. Now you transfer all the data as per the well name. Like for whatever value belong to A, you have to write down that value. Whatever that value is belong for S, that you have to write down. Please all of you write down this value. Okay, this is your second step. Now, yeah. All online participants are also requested to do this part. You have to transfer this value carefully. If you change the well, you are there will be no natural condition, because nature have systematic approach always. I told you, okay. So if there will be error in your data interpretation or your data transfer, okay, there will be error in your final output also. Input is very important. So carefully you transfer all the data on this map, then only you will find correct water table map. Once you completed, okay, let me know. Done? Okay. So you show me now. Yeah, show me. Come and show. Both of you come. Yes. Done. You show me. Okay. Okay, very good. है ना? Very good. Okay. है ना? Yes. Okay, done. Now you see contour. What are contour? You have, one survey practical also. है ना? Do you have or not? Already you have done that survey practical. What are the contour? Contour are the imagery line which join equal, points or equal elevation. Like if you are talking about the topography, है ना? So you don't think कि contour we only prepare for the topographic representation. We can prepare for the temperature variation. We can prepare for the, water level, water table. Okay, rainfall. For rainfall also we can prepare the, So their nature have, systematic, representation. Okay, systematic approach is there. So here we are trying to prepare the water table contour map. So what you do, that, whatever equal, water table value are there, you join all those point freehand. Freehand you have to join all those points. Now you do this part. This is third stage. What, like, 125 is there. So, in one line you join the all 125 water table value. Then 150. Okay, accordingly you join all the point. And wherever it is closing, close. Don't, extend too much that line. Are you getting my point? Once you complete this task, then let me know. Second, okay, this stage, what do you have to do? You have to join the all same value, all the equal water table value. Completed now? For all cases? Okay. Yeah. Now, okay, you show me. Once you that completed, now show me that part, which that completed. Okay. Very good. Okay, very good. Yes. So this, okay, please email me. Okay. Email me. Or you, okay. Yeah. You know my email ID? Huh? Write down. Email that. Okay. So I will show to everyone. Na? Some participants are online also. Na? So we have to show ki how that, water table map is completed. Na? This is my email ID. Okay. email that map, है ना, final map. All completed. Very good. You check email ID, है ना. It's anyone. Okay, other can also email, na? Other can also email me. Email. Which email you show me? Which email you use? To me. dcjhariya.geo. Huh? But why it is not coming here? Frequency, okay. Okay, permanent. Proper, actually, I told you, you don't make SAR pages for contour. Always I told, but here you, okay, no problem. At least, okay, this part is completed. Okay. Yeah. So this is the your, water table map. But we have to, okay, always make, that freehand to, you'll never find this kind of SAR pages. And please, okay, ensure in future, there is smooth lines should be there. Lines should be smoother, not sharper. Yeah, it's good. Like this, okay, I want actually. Very good. Okay. You see, this is the water table map. This is final output. But once we prepare this water, don't think only we can understand the groundwater flow direction. It is also helpful to understand the aquifer condition also. For how you see, this you prepared, like here, this part is your created, this should be like you like this, okay. So these are your contour lines, these are your contour line, okay. These are your contour line. The value is here 200. This is 200 water table value. It's a 175. It's a 150, and it's a 125. Okay. So you see, in case of that water table value, always water flow from high gradient to low, and high water table value to low. So what we can easily infer ki where groundwater is flowing. So you see, water table is flowing toward this direction. That will be tangential to these flow lines. These are the different flow line. Okay. So the water in this region, water table is flowing. Okay, this will be tangential. Okay, this you see, it's a tangential. So you have to mark. Okay, this water table is flowing. Okay, towards this direction here, this direction, and always these we mark using red. Okay, ink, and these contour we prepare using black ink. Actually, this standard color code is there for all geological study. Like for granite we use pink color, and some plus sign are there. Okay, for basalt we use green color, and V signs are there. So for rocks and for this kind of geological feature, we have symbol, we have color code. So those we use. Yeah. So you got the how we can mark the flow line. And another part, okay, another part, this is one part. Okay, another part here, their spacing is uniform. Uniform. In this case, groundwater condition is good. Groundwater condition is good. If suppose in some cases, what do you find? You find these contour are closely spaced. These some cases, and these will never intersect to each other. Please note, contour never intersect to each other. Okay, if suppose these contour are closely spaced, and some cases you'll find widely spaced. Okay, so closely spaced and closely spaced contour give you poor aquifer condition, poor groundwater condition. Okay, but if contour are widely spaced, it means groundwater condition is good. You see, single map how can help us to understand the groundwater condition. Only what we are doing, we are collecting data and developing this kind of map, and we can interpret the flow direction where groundwater is flowing, and we can also understand the groundwater occurrence where we have poor groundwater condition, where we have good groundwater condition. Clear now? So if okay, like for your city, you can prepare the water. You go your area, you collect the data, and you transfer these data on map and prepare the water table contour. In GIS environment, in single click, you can prepare this kind of map. Once you feed all the latitude, longitude of the data, and that those value, and in single click you can prepare the contour map. That software are available now, but manually also we can do. I hope you understood how we can prepare the water table map, how we can interpret, how we can mark the flow line. Is there any doubt now? Is there any doubt, online participant? If any doubt are there, you can ask related to this. This is the this is the most important data for the hydrogeological study, and most important exercise for the hydrogeological study. If you are working in this field, or if you want to apply any techniques in this field, you must know what is water table, what is water level, how we collect data, how we interpret, if we prepare the map. Okay, this is very important. Is there any doubt now? No doubt. Okay. Online participant, is there any doubt? You can ask if any doubt is there. Okay, there is no doubt. Yeah, and in next exercise we have to do, okay, that another exercise is also there for the to assess the potential zone, where groundwater is more, where groundwater is less. So now Permanent and other, okay, I want volunteer so that they can distribute these map, 5 map. Okay, you all come. Okay, around 5-6 people are required. So you have to give in set. Where Mayank? Where is Mayank? Hi. You can distribute, है ना? Okay, set wise you have to distribute, है ना? Different, you know, like 5 or 6 you know seats are there. हाँ, इधर से भी आ जाओ कुछ लोग. हाँ, अलग अलग देना, हाँ सबको, है ना? ठीक है, कुछ लोग और आ जाओ and distribute this, है ना? So in this exercise there is no doubt. I hope you completed all and you are confident you can do if I give you another data. Well, if I will give you different data, can you complete this exercise? Are you confident now? Yes. Very good. हाँ. And these all seat you have to keep, okay, for your practical, है ना? Also. Now rest you keep here. Rest you keep here. How many seat, okay, you received? Huh? 5 seat. Okay. So you see, like here, this seat is given to you, है ना? One seat is given to you. This seat is with you. Have you received this seat? Okay. Rank and weightage for the, okay, that individual class and that, you know, thematic map. So for groundwater, okay, study, there is need different data, like we need geological data, soil data, rainfall, land use, land cover, groundwater level. These all data are required. Okay, if we have these data, we can take decision for groundwater accuracy where we have possibility to get the groundwater. Okay, so these data is given in the form of map to you all, है ना? Okay, suppose these map we have prepared and we have, okay, these information with us. You give me seat, one, you know, you give me all the one seat. Okay, so here what you do, वो that वो वाला डेटा वाला डेटा वाला. Yes. So here you see in this sheet all classes, है ना, and the thematic map name are given. Okay, same thing you will find on those map which are given to you, है ना, these classes, and you know their thematic map belong to those map which are given to you, है ना. So you see, as per the response for the ground occurrence, we assign weightage and rank. Are you getting my point? है ना. किसी का रैंक ये बताओ, जैसे क्लास में जब रिजल्ट आता है तो सम गेट वेरी गुड रैंक एंड सम गेट पुअर रैंक. क्या कारण क्या होता है उसका? नहीं, ऑनलाइन में, ऑफलाइन की बात कर रहा हूँ मैं. ऑनलाइन में तो वी वेर अनेबल टू जज कि हु इज गुड हु इज बैड, क्योंकि वहां पे क्या था कि ग्रुप काम कर रहे थे ना, ग्रुप वेयर वर्किंग, है ना. बट नाउ ओके, द रियल थिंग्स आर इन फ्रंट ऑफ अस नाउ, है ना. All things are there. So you tell me, what is the base to assign the weightage? Based on the response in their examination, na? है ना. Those who give very good response, they score good, है ना, marks, and those whose okay response are poor, they get poor marks. So here similar concept is there. Those factor, those layer which give good response for the grounder occurrence, we assign more rate or more weight, है ना. Those give poor response, they get poor weightage. So here for example we have geology, है ना, and this data belong to Chhattisgarh, Raipur, है ना. And in Raipur, geology play important role for the groundwater occurrence. But if you are in the Himalaya terrain, their geomorphology play important, because there there is big difference in the elevation, है ना. Okay, so their geomorphology. So here if you are in the central India, you have to give more weightage to the geology, है ना. So for example we are taking first geology, है ना. So for geology we have to give high weightage as compared to your soil, rainfall, land use, land cover and groundwater level, है ना. So this weightage we have to assign in 1:10 scale. तो जो भी मैक्सिमम होगा वो दे देंगे, ठीक है. अब नाउ कमिंग टू देयर सब क्लास, like we have granite, shell, basalt and sandstone. So you people tell me कि for which rock you will give higher rank, कि इसमें, yeah, in this case we will get good groundwater and this will poor. You have to tell that. Okay, this is your part now, because already basic geology we covered, है ना. In our presentation those things were included, those things were there. So now you tell and you give rank for in 0 to 5 rank, or 1 to 5 you give. 1 to 5, 5 means maximum, matlab in this case will get good groundwater, and 1 means poor, है ना. So if you are giving higher value, it means condition is good, है ना. So tell me now, first you tell me, accordingly you have to assign to others, and you have to use, you don't use that seat, or you can use that seat, there is no problem. You have to make this seat you have to use for your fair book, है ना. So you can use your notebook to make this rank and weight, because rough work is doing na, it's not final. Whatever you are writing, that will be not final. So you can use your notebook, है ना. And once I will show you that rank and weight is, those you can write, and then you calculate the potential, where you will find high potential, where low potential. Am I clear? So now tell me, like granite is there. In case of granite, in 1 to 5 scale, where you keep it? Where you keep granite? Anyone from this side? 1. Why not 5? Why not 5? 1, it means the relative scope is there, weathered zone or fractured joints are there, so we have a scope to get the groundwater. But why we are not giving 5? Here, Monica, why we are not giving 5? Because poor, this is not aquifer, है ना. Now coming to the cell, but out the cell you will assign high or low rank. But out the cell there another rock is there, huh? Why 4? 4, it means what? Good. Why 4? what is the nature, hydrogeological nature of the cell? Huh? It's a porous or permeable. What is the composition of cell? What, cell compose, what mineral it consists? Clay mineral. So clay, what is the nature of clay? It's porous, but how? Okay, you'll find the groundwater, but it is when it is impermeable, there is no scope. So it's a poor. Now we have to assign poor weightage. है ना? Okay. Even it's a sedimentary rock, but it's a poor with respect to groundwater occurrence. Now coming to this basalt. Now you comment on basalt. Okay. Yeah. Basalt. You will okay. You from there. Okay, that side. Here I got the answer from here. What about the basalt? What about the basalt? Yeah. What about the basalt? Will be higher or lower? Yeah. Medium. Medium means what? 3. Why 3? It means okay, it is better, na? Like if you are 50%, so it's better, na? So basalt is what? Very hard and compact. Okay, it's a igneous rock. But you are going to assign better than granite, or it will be better than granite or not? It will be better than granite or not? Or bust? It will give good response or bad response as compared to granite? Bad response. Why? What is the okay, granite, we have granite, and another is your basalt, and both rock we have. So you tell me, in which case you have scope to get the more groundwater? Basalt is what? It's a volcanic rock, it's a volcanic, basic volcanic rock. Okay, you all, what is the composition of basalt? It consists pyroxene and plagioclase, and granite consists quartz and feldspar, है ना, orthoclase, है ना. You have that, practical also. So you see, like basalt is more fragile, है ना, easily get weathered as compared to granite. So when these are exposed in one area, in same area, you will find basalt more weathered as compared to granite. And in case of basalt, there is scope for the vesicular structure. So that will give more scope for the groundwater occurrence point of view. So you have to assign better, okay, weightage as compared to granite. So you can give 2, and more 2 or 3 you can give. There is no problem as per the field condition. If you are getting more weathered basalt, jointed, fractured, okay, vesicles, so you have to assign more weightage, because that also act as a aquifer, that also act as a aquifer. Got the point? Is there any doubt? Or again you see that composition and you see the we go and see the field condition. Okay, here I'm showing you. Okay, I'm showing you. I have some pictures here. Okay, yeah, it's actually here. This is what? It's a granite, है, it's a granite, and you see the granite, and you see this is the your basalt, weathered basalt. Okay, actually this is weathered basalt. Okay, so if granite is very hard, and the granite consists quartz. Quartz is more resistant to weathering, है ना? If rock is comprising quartz, that is resistant mineral, na? That will not easily weathered, है ना? But if pyroxene and plesioc, they get easily weathered. So weathering, more weathering you will find. Both are igneous, but intensity of weathering will be more in case of basalt as compared to granite. So this is the way how we take decision. Okay, this decision is important because based on this decision we'll get the groundwater condition. If we are not taking proper decision, our output will be what? There will be error, na? है ना? And we cannot justify when we go there in the field because we have to validate our data, है ना? We have to validate our result. Hope things are clear. So geological knowledge is important, है ना? Basic knowledge is important here to take the decision. This kind of techniques we can apply for mineral investigation also. Okay, suppose we have to investigate mineral, so we can apply this kind of knowledge there. Yeah. So yes, here. And now next is your sandstone. So you tell me in case of sandstone, okay, how much rank you will assign? 5 we can assign, 4 also, there is no problem. In case of sandstone we have scope because that is aquifer. So this is the way how you have to assign weightage and rank to all the layer. So now you do, and then I will show that some ideal weightage and rank, and you have to compare how accurately you assign depending on your basic knowledge. Like, okay, for soil it's very easy to take the decision. Like sandy soil will give always good scope. If clay is there though, poor, and sandy clay is there, so intermediate condition you will find. This is the way how you do for rainfall also. If high rainfall, high weightage, low rainfall, low weightage. But here very less difference is there. है ना? Land is land cover. If you are in cultivation land, you are in water body, you have good scope. है ना? But if you are in the settlement, less scope. Groundwater level, if shallow groundwater, good. If deep, poor. So now you assign weightage and rank as per the given scale and a range. Now you do this, okay, and you have only 5 minutes to do this part, and 5 minutes. Are you are you, if any doubt is there, we can discuss, there is no problem, है ना? But complete this part also. That's mine. Time to है sir. We have time. Extra seat over. Do you want? Okay. Yeah. So finally, okay, this is the our rank and weight for the different layer here, and to calculate the potentiality of the groundwater, this formula we have to use. Here, rank and weight of the one layer, and then we have to add rate and bank of the other layer. You know, all whatever that parameter you have to using, you have to use this formula to calculate the potentiality of the groundwater. If potentiality, if you are getting higher value, higher potentiality, it means higher potentiality. If you are getting lower value, it means lower potentiality. Because you see here, we can understand in this. Okay, you see, this is higher value, this is higher value. Okay, here also you see, this is higher value, this is okay, and we have to this into this plus this into this plus this into this plus this into this. So what you will find? The higher value or lower value will get? Higher value. So higher, higher, these are giving favorable condition for the groundwater and condition. And when we get, in this case, higher value, it means that will show higher potentiality. So what do you do? Here, these person will do, calculation for the lower, potentiality. Like, जो भी lower most होगी, like granite, this into this plus this into this, है ना? Okay, this into this plus this into this, and you tell me what is the final value, and you people do for the higher potentiality, है ना? And we'll compare key where we are getting. And now you see, after the calculation, okay, you have to tell me in which area of your study you will get higher potentiality and lower potentiality. Okay, this is the your final work. Now you do this. It will take hardly 1 minute to calculate. Is there any doubt? If any doubt is there, that also you can. Okay, what you do, this is the rank and weight. This is the weight, है ना? To calculate the potentiality, what you have to do? This 1 into 9 plus total 175. And low poor का क्या है बताओ? उसको you make him understand how you calculate it. You make him understand. Make him वो पूछो उससे जाके. You ask how you calculate it. 50 है ना? So 50. अब now you see कि for 175 which area you people are getting, and 50 for which area you are getting. बताओ. वो नॉर्थ साउथ ईस्ट वेस्ट के कंपैरिजन रिस्पेक्ट में बताओगे ना? With respect to direction you tell. With respect to direction you have to tell where you are getting higher potentially, where lower. These are map already given to you, है ना? Now you tell कि actually in GIS what we do, we calculate, there actually calculation of maps are there, है ना? We transfer these map into raster format, and there we do calculation. It is only possible in GIS, for figures we can calculate, everybody know, like 5 plus 5 are there, we can calculate. And what about the maps? Even for maps also we can do calculation. And that's why, GIS is very powerful tool, because we can, do this kind of calculation for map also. We transfer those map into raster format, and those are possible. And okay, I will show you map, final map. So you, with respect to direction, you tell where you are getting high potentiality and where you are getting poor potentiality. You people tell. Yeah. Who will answer now? If online, participant can, okay, they can also comment. Online participant. Yeah, offline, you people tell. Permanent, you tell in which area you are getting high potentiality. With respect to direction, you tell. South में poor or higher? Why higher? Can you justify कि how you are getting higher potentiality in southern direction? Only groundwater is not one criteria. We have to see other criteria also. You have to see the other criteria as well. Don't see only one. Okay. Huh? Low rainfall, then how? Okay, it will add higher potentiality. You see the geology, geomorphology, and other things also, no? Soil, है? Then only you comment. Okay, I'm giving you 2 minutes. In 2 minutes, okay, you comment where you will get high potentiality, where lower. This is the way how you have to process your data. You see, when you join any organization, how you have to process it. You have to take decision. North, yeah. In northern portion, potentiality will be high as compared to southern portion. And you see, this map is prepared. You see, in here you see potentiality is high. Okay, value are coming high, and here you see poor. So this will be your final output. Now you see how we can take decision. Okay, this is actually we calculated using GIS software. Okay, all those 5 6 map we integrated, and we found okay this potential map. So here, okay, what decision we can take now you see, in this region we are getting good groundwater, and here we are getting poor based on the those layer, okay. What we can do in this region, what we can withdraw this water. But what about the where poor groundwater condition? What we can do here? क्या करेंगे? यहाँ पे poor है, यहाँ क्या करोगे? What you will do? Yes, Parmanand. We can recharge these areas so that we can improve the groundwater condition. So to take decision, this kind of study is very important. Okay, and this only how much time it took to calculate and to see the groundwater potentiality for you people. Even you were not aware about this subject, and only 2 to 3 hours. So how okay quickly we can take decision using these techniques, and using software even 1 or 2 hours is enough to complete this exercise. So we can use these for the better decision. Is there any doubt now here? Is there any doubt? Okay, so this is okay one techniques. Yes, what, which one? This is the actually this is the potential map. Black and white I have given to you. This is color map. Here you are getting high potential. This is calculation. Okay, like you calculated those map calculated in GIS environment, and we found the higher value in this region, and that's why we delineated here using blue color, and here we are getting lower value, so we delineated using red color. This color we can change. There is no issue. Okay, here you see value are also there. You see higher value, lower value. So the very low, very high, as per the their value. Hope things are clear now. And okay, Mayank, what is the time to close it? 1, So okay, we'll discuss one paper also. Actually, when I learn these techniques, okay, learn this remote sensing GIS application in groundwater study. They are in IRS during 2013, and they gave me assignment to develop the potential groundwater zone for the that one area, Doon Valley area. Okay, here Yeah, this is the, yeah, this okay. And okay, then in my team, okay, there are three, are there, है ना? And one, this RS Chatterjee, he was supervisor, okay, है ना? And we use, remote sensing and GIS to calculate the, okay, okay. So once we conclude this, na, then we'll close, है ना? ठीक है? So here in my team, okay, there are three faculty were there, है ना? It's actually a sponsored program, and RS Chatterjee that belonged to IRS, he was the supervisor. So he taught us how to apply these techniques for the groundwater potential assessment. And okay, after completion of this work, we publish also, है ना? So this is basic level paper, okay, to understand the techniques how we use, and those things I here teach you manually how you done. These be done in using software, है ना? So for any study there is need data, like we selected this Doon Valley. This is in Dehradun, okay, here, and we adopted methodology. There needs systematic methodology to carry out any study here. And we use different data like satellite data to prepare the land cover map and existing map. Okay, we use to develop the geology, geomorphology, drainage and lineament map, and using these data we prepare the geology, geomorphology, land cover, drainage and lineament, and we reclassify, we convert it into raster, and we assign weightage and rank to all the thematic layer based on their response for the groundwater occurrence. And finally we found a potential zone. Okay, yes. So these, here details are given about the different layer, ki what rocks are there, what kind of rocks are occurring there, what are the the geological condition, drainage, lineament. These all we created there after learning the tools, and land cover also. And then we use this weighted overlay techniques, and you see these are the weightage, rank, and finally we found out this potential map. Okay, so here you see in low-lying area near river we are getting high potentiality, but in ridge, we are getting low potentiality. Okay, similar way. So this is the how we can use the techniques, and once we learn now, we should apply in any area, so that we can understand in better way. It's not key only you learn the techniques and then you forget. If you want to become the expert in that field, what do? You apply. You take any area, or you take data and you apply that techniques. So you will become more confident about that tools. Okay. Now, if any doubt is there, you can ask. If any doubt is there, you can ask. And there, you'll find many paper, but this is very basic level paper. That's why I share the detail. So if you want to learn more about these techniques, you go through this research paper. You'll search only, DC Jhariya, Doon Valley groundwater potential assessment. You will find this. Okay. So we'll understand everything. All details are given. Okay. So hope things are clear now. Is there any doubt? Basic hydrogeology. Any doubt is there, we can discuss. Otherwise, we'll conclude then. So you keep these all sheet with you. You can enclose it on your record. Okay. Thank you very much, everyone. Thank you. So after lunch break, again you have to come back here.